Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today, not an unboxing this time, only unbagging because I ordered this bag from Coach and they shipped this bag in a padded envelope, and then the postman just squished this one into my mailbox, and somehow the envelope was torn. So when I pulled this out from my mailbox, the debris from the padding just flying everywhere. So now here you see it's just this bag. I'm waiting to open it with you. So this bag is kind of unusual for me. It's their chalk color bag. It means it's a white bag. As you can see from my last video that most of my bags are in brown tone and either blue or black or green. So white is a little unusual for me because I'm too lazy to spray my bags, and we all know how risky white bag could be. If you carry it with your denim outfit, you will be in trouble. So let's open it up. Let's see. So far so good. Let's take the strap out. I believe they call this Coach Zip Geometric Pouch. It's not a very big bag, but because you can open the zip all kind of halfway down, so you could still open it quite a bit and carry quite a bit of stuff inside. Let's see what else inside. I believe this is the care instruction and the. So this is a very unique bag for me. It's kind of this odd shape bag, but I was worried that because this one I got from outlet, so I was worried that it would have a lot of scratches, but so far not bad at all. Here it says made from original Glovetanned leather. I feel like when they say it made from original Glovetanned leather, the leather seems to be thicker, a little bit different from when they say genuine Glovetanned leather. So I do think there's a difference between them. I think this would be the front side, and then the back has this slip pocket that you can put your phone in, which is great. I love an outside pocket. They always just come in handy. And then come with this also in chalk color, white color crossbody strap. It's not removable, but you can adjust it for sure. And then when you unzip and open it inside, wow, this bag is lined with leather lining. I think this is kind of quite unusual for Coach bag. I think in recent years, I rarely see Coach bag lined with leather. A lot of time, they just line with those kind of fake suede, the microfiber lining. So this is great. And inside the bag, one side you get a card slot, and then on the other side you get another slip pocket. I'm really happy with how this turned out. Because it's original Glovetanned leather, so you do see a little bit more leather texture and some imperfection. But so far, I think this is as good as it gets buying from Coach outlet, to be honest. It does have a mark across here, but you can only see at certain angle. It's definitely not obvious at all. So even though this is kind of not my usual style, but I feel like I actually would carry this one maybe around summertime, because it is a good size for lunch out or going out to dinner. It's a good size to carry basic stuff, and it's unique. Thank goodness that coach sent me a decent bag this time, so I don't have to go return it, since Coach outlet is very far from me right now, like I think at least an hour away. So I'm really happy with this Coach Jeep Geometry pouch. If you see one on the Coach outlet website, make sure you grab it. It's totally worth to get it. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll talk to you again soon. Bye.